YouTube. So I've been trying to figure out a way to do a water heater bowl for my rollers, and this is the best thing I came up with. So what I did was use a ice cream bucket, get a little 2-gallon fish tank heater from Walmart, Petco, PetSmart, whatever you want. This one came from Walmart for 15 bucks. Got your hose in here and fill it up with water and plug it in. That's it. Got the cover here for it. Outside, there we go. And there you go. Got yourself a easy water heater. And the water lights on. It's working. We're good. This is just a test run. I'll eventually make a prettier bucket and make the water a little deeper, probably up to there. Put the hose up here or something. That way the water don't get too hot. But that'll do for now.